If you can cut a heart out of paper, you can easily make these paper shamrocks. They're a great decoration for spring or for St. Patrick's Day. Let me show you how to make them. For this project, you will need green paper, scissors, wire cutters, round nose pliers, and floral wire. Fold your paper in half with the side that you want facing out on the inside of that fold. Then cut out a heart that's about 1.5 inches or so. Cut out 2 more hearts. You can use the first one as a pattern to make them all alike, or you can freehand them because it doesn't matter if they're a little bit different. But you can use the first one as a pattern like that. Use the wire cutters to cut a piece of floral wire about 6 inches long. Use the round nose pliers to make a very small circle at the very top of that wire. Just make it as small as you can. And then turn it so that the wire faces straight down from the circle. Now, carefully poke a hole at the bottom of one of the hearts, and don't do it right at the end because you don't want it to rip through. Go up about 1/4 inch and poke it through gently right in the center and move the heart up to the top. Do the same thing with the other 2 hearts. Okay, once the hearts are at the top, you can arrange them. If you would like to, you can put a little dot of glue underneath that wire circle if the leaves aren't staying in place, but they should be just fine. Now make 5 or 6 more to make a bouquet. Please subscribe to my channel for other holiday crafts and other great ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.